All right, good morning, geometry guys. Mr. Jeffries coming at you. Third period geometry class. Don't forget hit like and subscribe to the bell. All right, so game plan is test Friday. We will adjust as needed. So did something a little bit different now. Instead of having all the drawings, just had the measurements. Okay, if you're given a measurement, okay, you have to give the measurement back in the answer. All right. Again, the person that thought they turned down their music or nobody could hear, yes, we can hear it still, because you will not wear your headphones on both ears. I thought we've had a long discussion about that. This is 18 and 11. Ooh. Okay, we could still hear it. Now it's even louder. Whose music is that? Why? Why, people? Why? All right. So, that was 1 through 3. All right, part 4. Or number 4, not part 4. Told you to set up only. Okay, so rectangle is this, area is this. So this is what it would look like. Do you have these two things in the parentheses multiplied by each other? How can you say that they're being multiplied by each other while them not in parentheses? You can't put a x right there for multiplication because x is a variable. Because now then you have x plus 3x, 2x. Yeah. You have very, very rarely ever seen me use the x multiplication all year. I would not change now. There's a reason why for that. Okay. Now, to actually solve this, two things would have had to happen. Number one, you would have to know how to solve by factoring. Number two, you probably would have had to use some type of outside help. Okay. All right, trapezoid. So 0.5. Our height is 8. 10 plus 16. I don't know why it does that ghost float. That's crazy. What about Kevin Durant? All I heard was Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant. I mean, it must be important. All right, so 104. Then 108 inches squared. All right, that's those two numbers. Moving on to this one. All right, so trapezoid, so this would be like 0.5 times 5 plus 4 plus 2x. Okay, so that's basically you setting it up. Or if you did something like this, because x is 6. If you did something like this, that's fine. Okay? Either way, I was just putting this up here to see how it would work. Nobody asked questions. Everybody copied it down. So I'll probably end up, it may or may not be on a test. Okay? See, this would be 22. So this would be 55 centimeters squared. All right. So shouldn't be that bad. Could always be worse. All right. Look at number 8. So this is 12 times 9 all over 2. Okay, so this would be 54 centimeters squared. Now, you could have typed it in like this. It didn't matter. Okay. I don't know why I just wrote 12 when it's 15. So 150 inches squared. All right. Moving on. All right, it says kite has this and this. Find the area. Well, this would be 3 times 4, and then 2 plus 4. Just plug in. Okay. That's all over 2, so this would be 72. All right. We're not given a unit of measure. Okay? Since we're not given a unit of measure, we don't have to put one on there. All right. Yes. Say that again a little bit louder. No, say it again. What did you just ask? I can't hear you with your hands in front of your face. Would it be 72 squared? Well, 72 squared is 5,184. If we were to actually go back and watch the video, we could count how many seconds it was from when I just said, since we're not given a unit of measure, we don't have to put anything on here. And then we can count like 1 second, 2 seconds, and then you ask your question about, do we have to write squared? You're just wondering. Well, let's look at the details there, Captain Obvious. All right, so area is 84. The height is 6. This. All right, set it up. Ten plus x. All right. 84 is 3 times 10 plus x. Plus 3x. 30 minus 30. 54 equals 3x. 54 divided by 3. Whoop. Turn on the calculator. So 18 centimeters. Okay, now this is asking for a length, not an area. This is asking for a length, not an area. This is asking for a length, not an area. So that means we would not have to put the unit a measure squared. All right. 12. Areas this, diagonals this. So multiply by 2, multiply by 2. All right, so this would be 16 inches. Now, because it's asking for a length and not an area, we do not write squared. All right. Hexagon has 6 sides. Well, 6 times 8, this would be 24 centimeters. 24 times 7 divided by 2. This has 84 centimeters squared. A pentagon has 5 sides. The area would be 10. Check that, 50 inches. What? Yeah.
6 times 8 doesn't equal 24.
Are you sure? Are you sure 6 times 8 doesn't equal 24? Yeah. What? Yeah. Well, what is it?
48.
48. All right. At least somebody's paying attention. Everybody else is just writing down the wrong answers. You redeemed yourself. Yes. Finally. Whoever, again, why is it a daily thing of, hey, turn your music down? Did I say you? So, 50. All right. There's those two. And the last two. All right, an octagon has 8 sides. This would be 40 feet. 120 feet squared. Now, yes, this says meters and centimeters. It's all supposed to be meters. Number of sides. Decagon, this is 10, so this would be 40. 40 times 5 divided by 2 would be 100 meters squared. All right, so that's it. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bit. Good stuff, good things. Roll time.